Welcome to Section 2 of our Crisis Resource Management course. The initiation of crisis resource management begins with preparation. We believe that preparation for a crisis requires us to assess ourselves, to monitor our surroundings, and to know our team. These foundational principles will be referenced throughout this section and the rest of the course. Preparation for a crisis considers how individual, physical, and psychosocial factors create an environment that can impact our performance. The interplay of these factors affects perception and, consequently, our ability to become situationally aware. Simply put, preparation influences perception, and perception impacts performance. Remember, the very first step of situational awareness is a perception of elements of the environment within a volume of time and space. Simply put, the first step of situational awareness is understanding what's going on around you. In this section, we'll explore 3 principles that will prepare us for a crisis. The first principle is to assess ourselves so that we can bring our best self to a crisis. The second principle, monitoring your surroundings, is about knowing what's going on around us in our physical environment. And finally, the third principle is to know your team so that we function effectively at a moment's notice. We'd like you to pause for a moment. Close your eyes and imagine that you're in a crisis. Use your previous experiences to inform what that crisis looks like. Now ask yourself these 3 questions and spend some time reflecting on your answers before moving on to the next module. First, what individual factors do you think can affect your own performance? Second, from your perspective, what makes an environment safe for you? And finally, what characteristics would you want in your team members, especially if team members do not know each other?